Hey everybody, and welcome to a snowy day number 2 of the Newton Mudroom project. We're still on demo, and today's goal was to get the rest of the metal lath and plaster down, and we did that. It's a messy job, and the only way to do it is with proper goggles, a respirator, and really thick gloves so that you don't get cut on that old metal lathing. I put together a very quick time-lapse video so that you can see the process, and there's no two ways about it. It just lands right on top of you. So if you're going to do this yourself, make sure you plan ahead and you get yourself a good pair of clothes, goggles, a good mask, and very thick gloves. That's what really helps it out. Now that we've gotten it exposed, though, this is a big point because we're able to see the roof truss that's up there. And I'm not talking about the ceiling, I'm talking about the roof this time. And you can see that they're running parallel to the house. Now, one of the reasons that we're really excited about seeing that is because we're not going to restructure any of the roofing truss. And the way that they're designed now, there's no load-bearing section that we're working with, so we don't have to do any structural re-engineering. One of the other things we're looking to do is, if you see the new construction here, this bump out with the new 2x4s and the white insulation, that's where those cabinets are. And the ceiling that's inside the kitchen is about 2 feet higher than the ceiling that's inside the garage. And in order for this to really kind of have a good flow, we want the ceiling to be the same height as you walk out of the kitchen. Of course, you're still going to take those 2 steps down, but the height of the ceiling will be the same. And that's going to really make it feel like it belongs a lot more to the existing house. And that's what we want. We want it to be a very smooth flow from the kitchen into the mudroom. So, really happy that that is not going to cause us any hiccups, and we're able to just kind of move forward with it. For the rest of the day, we're going to just work on cleaning it up. We've got a lot of debris still left. We got a lot of that metal lathing and plaster, so we're going to throw that into a bagster and get it out on the street. The rest of the time, we're going to spend just cleaning up. We still have some metal hanging on. We've got a lot of nails poking out, and we're going to take down these boards here because we're going to just get the roof ready. Next week, all the materials are coming in, and we're going to start doing all of our framing. So this whole week now, we're just making sure that we have a nice clean slate to work with. Yesterday, I posted a video of the plan that we have, so go and check that out. It'll show you what the floor plan is going to look like, how we're going to have the step down here, how we're going to have the door to the backyard, and how this side over here is going to be more of a storage area, and we're calling it a shed because the way that we're designing the door in the front, we want it to look different than the entrance to the house. So it's going to have a shed door versus a nice entrance door. That's it, the end of day number 2. Check back tomorrow and see where we're at on our progress. And definitely check out the other videos that I posted. The one of the time lapse and all of the lath and plaster coming down off the ceiling is definitely something to see. So thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you all tomorrow.